boy, Zach and Chris with Dream Media Home Theater. We're out here unboxing another subwoofer. How many subs we got? Too many. You need to buy some. What is this we have here, Chris? This
Pb-2000.
Pb-2000. So we unboxed in another video the SB, which is the sealed version. This is a ported sub, correct?
Yep.
Okay. So you got ported acoustic design, front firing 12-inch driver, 4-inch front firing port, 500 watt RMS, 1120 peak.
So I'm not sure if you guys know.
It's down to 17, huh?
Yeah. So I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with, but SVS has been around for quite some time, and even one of the older models is called the Pb-2000 NSD and the SP12 NSD. This is basically the big brother of that. Basically the same design, except for that one has just 100 less watts of amplification. But that was my very first SVS sub, and to be honest, it was like a game changer in the actual fader. These things hit down low with authority, and definitely really enjoy these things.
Yeah, so that is why Chris has taken the point on this. He is obsessed with SVS. He's got 1,000 speakers in his theater. He's tried them all, reviewed them on his own channel as well. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link, bing, bing, somewhere up there. If you're not one of our subscribers, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. We got a load of videos, installation videos, review videos, unboxing videos, just a plethora of good content to help you guys make a buying decision.
A plethora?
Plethora, yeah. I would say plethora. We're pushing 500 videos. Registration. We are an authorized dealer, which means we can get this product for you. We ship nationwide with a low price guarantee.
Nationwide.
Yeah. That's all right. When you're buying online, you don't know who you're buying from. You want to make sure that you buy from somebody that is actually authorized from the manufacturer, because if something happens to your product, you want peace of mind, right? You want a new one. You don't want to be stuck up a creek. So give us a call. This is an unboxing video. We're just going to kind of show you a quick little overview of what this product has to offer. So we're going to have to pull it out of here, which is going to be the next challenge. Alrighty.
Alright, so this is a 12-inch driver. It's it doesn't have one of those super fancy cones like you do with the Ultra Series and the 4000s and above. But this does have a really authoritative profile to it. It's pretty big if you're just looking at it, and even just the full footprint that it takes up. It takes up a pretty decent amount of space.
This isn't really a comparison video, but here's a reference for you guys. Here's a sealed guy right here. Huge footprint in comparison to this. That's like half the size.
So pretty much if you're thinking about getting a sealed version, think about pretty much just doubling the area, and then you're probably going to be around about where it's going to be for the ported version.
What's the frequency response on the sealed?
I need to double check, but you're going to be able to get subsonic with this one below the
19. You're getting it's in the 19.
Yeah, and the cool thing with SVS subwoofers, if you guys aren't familiar with, the reason why people love them so much is that pretty much any other subwoofer that you're going to go with, at 30 Hertz, it starts puttering out. The cool thing with SVS is that whenever you get towards 30 Hertz, it actually gets louder. So it gets louder towards 20 Hertz, and then it starts puttering off again. But the biggest thing is that you're going to get the extra oomph and output, and you're going to get a bulletproof type of amplifier, bulletproof product that you're never going to have to worry about with that five-year warranty.
Only if you buy from an authorized reseller.
Yeah, if you guys get this thing on eBay or Walmart or like, I don't want to say the other names of the different companies because I don't want to trash anyone or anything. But if you're buying these things from people that aren't necessarily authorized to sell these things, they're going to have a completely discounted price, which is completely against the terms of agreement in the first place. And also, if I think I'm just going to end it there because I'm going to keep going off on a tangent.
Yeah, so. we're not going to go down that road. Okay, cool. So let me do a close-up. Show you guys the beauty. This does come in a gloss finish as well.
No, this doesn't.
Oh, this does not.
So with the sealed version, you're going to have the option to do piano black and black ash, which is what this one is right here. But since this one is already $100 extra from the sealed version, they don't give you the option to actually go with that extra premium finish. You only get your choice in one of the actual finishes. So you're maxed out at $799 for a 2000 series. And to round out the entire system, this is the SB-2000, this is the Pb-2000, this is the PC-2000. So it's kind of like a little cylinder type of subwoofer, kind of sticks away in the corner. It doesn't have that much of a profile that this one does. So if you have room for towers, you probably have room for that one.
Yeah, and we did a full unboxing and review of that one as well. And we're going to be comparing all these if we have time. So check that video out.
Let's check out, see what kind of feet it has on the bottom of it. Still has those 4 feet, so if you want to use the SVS Isolation System, you can as well. These are about, half-inch, very hard type of material, but if you want to have something that's kind of like, actually these are about quarter, 3/8, doesn't really matter. But if you want like something that's going to decouple your actual subwoofer from the ground, so you don't want to actually transfer those sounds through the ground, so that shaking pictures off the wall or shaking the door or whatever, that actual SVS Isolation System will help out with that.
Show me the back. Baby got back.
LA face with Oakland booty.
Whoa! What? Alright, so we got the same exact configuration as the SB. You got your volume, you got your phase, you got your low pass. And like I said, with the SB, or any time you're hooking up a sub in home theater, you're going to be using that LFE. Let your amplifier, or your processor, do the processing. That's what it's there for. You got a trigger if you want to do a trigger, but I always just leave it in auto standby. Let it kick on when it senses the signal from the LFE. And like Chris was saying, you can daisy chain these guys together right out of here on the output, and have 100 of these running in your room if you want it. On and off toggle here. And your power.
Another thing to note is that it's cool that it comes with phase alignment and whatnot, but if you guys aren't getting the actual breathtaking sound that you're expecting out of these things, I would highly recommend you guys checking the phase on it. And at the same time, if you need to, just sit in your main listening position, have a buddy go to the back of the thing, and then just put it in and out of phase. That'll help out to actually understand if you can anticipate that you're in phase or not, because you could be 100% out of phase and you won't be able to get the best out of your subwoofer.
That is a good tip. I think the grills look nice.
It's kind of cool. It has that like industrial type of look to it. And since it's so super beefy and heavy duty, you don't ever have to worry about your driver getting damaged. You have a single port down on the bottom. I don't recommend plugging this thing up. That's the reason why it doesn't come with any foam ports, but some people, they actually do that.
Where do they get the port plug?
You don't get it on this model.
What,
So
they just like
find
get
it.
They just find it somewhere?
And plug it up in there.
Do you want to do the ending?
Alright, so that's going to be the unboxing of the Pb-2000. If you guys have any questions about this thing, just go ahead and let us know. We're going to have a full take of anything that's going on in this room, and we're going to be doing discounted prices on the stuff that we've actually unboxed. For the meantime, we're going to be doing some demos and whatnot, but if you guys want specific prices on this stuff, don't hesitate to go ahead and hit up the comments down below, and also call that number and email the number in the description and right here.
Perfect. Yeah, Chris will hook you up. He knows everything about these products, and give us ideas. This is our playroom right now, so if you guys want to hear something or see something, just let us know. We'll be happy to do it. We'll probably leave it like this for the next month, and then get rid of it all, because we are online only. You guys are not coming in here to demo them, so don't ask.
Some of you guys have asked, but it's not going to happen.
Off limits.
Alright guys, well that's going to be the unboxing of the Pb-2000. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below.
Boom! Smash it! Till next time.
Catch you on the next one.
This is Zach and Chris. Thanks for watching.